Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good afternoon everybody. Alright, so we continue still in chapter 1 in equation in business. Alright, the previous one we already calculate how using the equations, how using the formula in business, right? So another part, in equation normally they have want to know the function, right? They did not want to know the value, but they want to know the function, right? So let's go the examples, right? The following data was obtained from a plan in Pry, right? So data ni ambil kat plan in Pry. So the selling price per unit, harga jualan, the selling price per unit is RM 35 ringgit. And then variable cost 500 units is 5,000. Fixed cost is 250,000. So the question is, first is, what is the function okay. The first is, what is the functions of total cost, right? So in final exam, if you see this word function, right? So if you see this word function, no need to identify the value, right? So I show you, So the function of total cost. So what is the formula of total cost, right? So total cost, still remember, total cost is fixed cost plus variable cost, right? So total cost is fixed cost, variable cost. Okay, in the information that we get, first we have selling price, second we have variable cost, third we have fixed cost, but we don't have the quantity. Another one, you see, they give you 5,000 in lump sum, that's mean in overall cost, but he said it's 500, right? So first you have to identify its variable cost. You cannot put 5,000 over here, it's wrong. You have to identify variable cost per unit. Okay, so how to identify variable cost per unit? Okay, variable cost per unit equal to 50,000 divide by, they have give you quantity here, divide by 500, right? So this one is 10. So variable cost will be 10 ringgit. Then you can calculate the question 1 is the function of total cost. So total cost equal to variable cost, fixed cost plus variable cost. Okay, in here fixed cost, you can just take out fixed cost here, 250,000 plus variable cost here you have to take here, right? So 10 ringgit. Okay, but in variable cost is price. Variable cost, what the formula for variable cost? Variable cost is variable cost times quantity. So this one is times quantity. So total cost is 250,000 plus 10Q. Just this it. So this is answer. Because you only want function. No need to identify the exactly value. Just leave it here. So 250,000 plus 10Q. Okay? Understand? This is function of total cost. Okay? Then In question also, we want to identify the function of total revenue. Total revenue. The function of total revenue. So what is the formula total revenue, class? Total revenue equal to what? Price times quantity. Right. So we have price here. Okay. We have price here, and then price is 35 ringgit, but we do not know the quantity. Just times Q, so 35 ringgit Q. Yeah. So, and this is still in function, so leave it like this. Okay. So now number 3. Okay, number 3, the question is they want to identify the function of profit. Okay, what is the formula of profit? Okay, profit equal to total revenue minus total cost. This one, both we already calculate before, right? So total revenue is 35Q minus 250,000 plus 10Q. Okay, so will be 25Q, 35Q plus minus plus will be minus, right? So 35Q minus 10Q, so 35Q. Okay, so minus positive, so minus positive will be minus, so 250,000. Okay. This one is profit because this is a still function, so no need to identify the value. Just leave it like this. Alright. And then last questions. Right. In this question also, they want to target profit. They want profit 50,000. Right. So what is the quantity? Right. So profit equal to total revenue minus total cost. So 50,000. Total revenue is 25Q minus 200 and right. Right. So this one we already we get from function of Q before the function of P before this. Alright. So just put 25Q minus 250. So we arrange 25Q minus 250,000. Right? Just rearrange for easier to look. So 25Q equal to 50,000. This one minus, you bring here will be positive. So 250,000. So 25Q equal to 300,000. Okay? Q equal to divide by 25. So therefore Q equal to 5,000. Right? So get right? So just recap back. So if the question they just put function, so no need to get the value, but in the end they just said that they want to profit 50,000, then you using the function to answer or get the value of the quantity. So that's all for me. Thank you.